The MERV 13 AC filter by BNX TruFilter provides the highest level of air filtration for you and your family at a fraction of the cost of big-name manufacturers.
It filters 95% of airborne contaminants and particulate matter to provide your home or business with the cleanest indoor air quality. It's specifically designed with your air conditioning unit in mind by having one of the lowest pressure drops in its class, which helps prolong the life of your existing system without added strain on your unit.
And it still filters out all the bad stuff so you and your loved ones can breathe easy. The BNX TruFilter is so easy to install. Let's see how to do it.
All right.
First, find the location of your return air vent in your home. It's usually located in a room or hallway, on a wall or ceiling. Open the latches holding the vent grill in place. Open the vent and gently lower the grill. Take care when removing the old filter, as it may have a lot of dust and dirt on it. Dispose of it immediately once removed. To install the new BNX TruFilter, first open the package and take out the filter. It is important to ensure the arrow is pointing toward the return air opening in the direction of the airflow going into your system. Simply align the edges of the BNX TruFilter with the opening of the vent and place it inside the frame. Ensure the filter sits nice and flush. Close the vent grill and secure the latches back in place. All done! It's that easy. It's recommended to replace your BNX AC filter every 3 months for optimum air quality and system performance. Trust your home's air to BNX TruFilter.